Is the Amazon Shopper panel really an easy way to potentially earn more than $10, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this particular app, and therefore I decided to take a closer look, and in this Amazon Shopper panel review I will show you all the pros and the cons, because let me just reveal right away that it definitely has both, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join the Amazon Shopper panel, because this is a little bit different than most other online free earning methods. First of all, you cannot actually join it on the website where I'm on now. It's just easier to show while I'm recording here from the website, but you need to download the app. It's available both on iOS devices and Android devices, so that is great. However, when it comes to who can join, if we just scroll down here, you can see that this is quite limited because it is only available for a limited number of Amazon customers. So first of all, you need to be an Amazon customer. That means that you need to have an Amazon account. You should also preferably have used Amazon regularly, and it's only available in the US, the UK, Canada, Germany, France and Spain at the time of recording this video. In addition to this, you need to receive an invitation to join the panel, and then you can download the app, but they don't really say much more about like what does it require to get an invitation. You kind of just have to be lucky if you're suddenly chosen, but if you live in one of these countries, you can also download the app and see if there is any spaces available, and if not, then you can join a waitlist, and then you will potentially receive an invitation when a new spot is available. So it is not super easy to get a spot, but as you can see, it can be a way to quite easily earn a bit of extra money. So let's now go over the earning methods you can find if you are able to eventually join. So the Amazon Shopper panel has three main earning methods, and we'll talk a little bit about each of them. But first, I just want to make it clear that just because you become a member, you manage to get access, then there's no guarantee that you will get access to all three earning methods, because sometimes the spots are maybe filled for one of the methods, then you'll only have access to two, or maybe you'll only have access to one. That is something you can see inside the app if you get access. But the main way to earn is by uploading receipts. So you need to upload through the app. You can also send it to them via email, receipts from things you have bought outside Amazon. So this is not things you bought on Amazon. That is very important. It is receipts from other shops. And then you can upload 10 receipts. If you upload 10 receipts within 1 month, you will receive $10 reward. So that is quite easy. Also compared to other receipt scanning rewards, this is a quite good reward, but of course it's also limited because you can just upload 10 and then that's kind of it. So it's also good to use some of the other earning methods. So let's talk about those also. So the Amazon Shopper panel also sometimes have paid surveys. It is not a particular survey app where you can find like a lot of paid surveys daily. It is quite limited to that. If you're interested in the top survey apps, I also do have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner, but it does have decent, you can see some examples here on the screen. They pay, decent also for the time. So I think that if you get access to them, they can definitely also be worth taking. But I would say if you're interested in taking service, you should also make sure to join other survey apps to get access to more opportunities. So the last earning method is kind of a passive way to earn, and this is where you can verify ads you see from Amazon. And what does that actually mean? That means if you opt in for this, and this is not something you have to, if you don't feel comfortable about that, you do not have to. But if you enable this, then you allow Amazon to track where you see Amazon ads, as they also write here that this can be Amazon's own advertising or ads from third-party businesses that advertise through Amazon ads. So then they will basically collect and use information about where and when you see ads from Amazon. For example, the app or website where you viewed the ad and the time of the day you viewed it, and all kind of data like that. If you don't feel comfortable about sharing information like this or access like this, then you should not enable this. If you do, it will give you potentially $2 extra per month. Personally, I don't really particularly feel comfortable about allowing an app access to completely track where I see ads like that, because that also means it get access to seeing inside other apps and things like that. But that's up to you whether you feel comfortable about that or not. If they paid more, maybe I would be more motivated, but $2 for that's not something that I personally would do. But again, you might feel differently, and now you know the option is there. But before deciding whether this is for you or not, we of course also need to talk about how you can get paid. So when it comes to the rewards, as you can see, they describe themselves also that what you will earn, whether it's from these receipts or whether it's from taking surveys or participating in other options, it will be added to your Amazon balance. So that means you can use it next time you shop on Amazon. So you can't take it out, for example, as PayPal cash or bank transfer or gift cards or something like that. It is if you want to shop on Amazon, or you can donate to charities. And they process these payments once per month. So usually you will receive the rewards that you've earned the previous month within the first 48 hours of the following month. So the payment processing is kind of automatic, and I definitely do like that. So overall, I think Amazon Shopper Panel has both pros and cons. I think that definitely for the receipt uploading, that it actually does give quite good rewards compared to many other options. But of course, the disadvantages of it, in my opinion, is that it's very hard to actually get a spot, and also the payout option is not as flexible as you can find on many other platforms. But if you are able to get a spot, I think it can be an interesting way to earn a little bit extra without not much extra effort. But if you're interested in platforms where it's easy to get a spot and where the payout options are more flexible, then I do have a list of the best receipt scanning apps on my website. I'll leave a link to that below. I also do have a list of the best ways to earn free Amazon gift card, and then a video about that also. I'll leave links to that below also, so then you can find information both in video or on a website, depending on what you prefer. And there you can find plenty of information about other options you can use in addition to Amazon or instead of Amazon if you cannot get a spot on the Amazon Shopper Panel. And many of you have asked me about my opinion about this panel here, so I hope this video helped you and made it clear what I think about it, the pros and the cons, and then you can use that yourself to make your own decision. And if the video did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.